What's up, guys? This is Vatsal Mishra, and today we're on Baga Beach, Goa, asking people their New Year resolution. It's the 31st of December. Let's see how this year went for everybody. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so we're out here in Brito's Baga Beach, and today I am with
Vinod Kumar, that's my name.
Alright, Vinod, how was 2020 for you?
It was, I would say they were a bit, pit and falls, but overall it was good for me.
Okay, that's awesome. It was great for me too, so I completely relate. And do you have any New Year's resolution for 2021?
Yeah, I'll drink more beer.
Okay, I think that's a wonderful resolution to have. Thank you, Vinod.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good one.
Thanks. Good evening. Today I am with
Diana.
Alright, Biana, how was 2020 for you?
A little boring.
It's boring, but overall good or bad?
Overall, it was fine.
Okay, that's great. It was fine for me as well. And what's your New Year resolution for 2021?
New Year resolution. So since I'm moving to another country,
Oh, that's awesome.
yeah, so
Where are you moving to?
UK.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
That's nice. So, what's your New Year resolution? Just making new memories.
Making new memories, studying well, and getting a great job for my
Awesome.
pass out from my university.
So, it's a master's.
Yeah, I'm going for there for MBA. So yeah.
Congratulations. Thank you. It's very cute. You all are sharing a cake together.
Yeah, we are just newly married.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
So, how was 2020 for you guys?
It was amazing because the only good thing which has happened was our marriage.
Great.
Yeah,
I mean, that is a great thing.
yeah,
happens in 2020 is our marriage.
Awesome. So, do you have any New Year resolution for 2021?
yeah, just want to stay fit and we want to reduce our tummy.
Oh, okay. I thought you were in Goa, so it might be the opposite. I want to get more drunk. I want to party more often.
It is for today.
Oh, and that is for today.
हाँ.
So, आज पूरा कोटा खत्म कर रहे हैं.
आज पूरा टल्ली होके फिर कल से फिटनेस की तरफ ध्यान देना.
बढ़िया. All right, then happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year to you too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. So, today I am with Akshay.
Insha.
All right, guys. How was 2020 for you?
So 2020 has been very difficult and I actually personally faced a lot of challenges because I started a startup in the beginning of in the second half of 2019 and I actually got a very bad setback. So yeah, it was
my
very
God.
depressing, but now things are on track. I have
Seems like it. You're in Goa now.
So
Things are getting better.
just before this trip, I went to another trip to Manali, and just after that,
He's living the life. still,
Yeah,
huh?
totally.
The startup thing might have been a flop, but
so
okay.
after a flop startup, so now I started. I've thought of enjoying life a bit, and then taking up a new job. I've finally got a new job.
Oh, congratulations!
Thank you.
It's been a decent year. Like now, it's like getting better.
So yeah, it's getting better now. I
What
hope.
about you?
2020 really sucked, and there's nothing that I want to recall about 2020. It's done and it's gone. I want to recall. Happy New Year, guys.
I'm sorry, I cut you off. You were saying something.
No, nothing more than that.
Do you have any New Year resolution for 21?
Not
Party more, drink more beer, do more.
No, that is not a resolution. That actually is a consequence of a bad resolution. So I am
जितना
thinking.
resolution रखने की कोशिश करते उतना ही नहीं होता.
Actually, resolution रखो और उसके बाद जब वो टूटता है तो ये होता है.
चलो सही है. All right, guys. Happy New Year. Thank you
to
so
you
much.
guys.
All right. Bye bye.
Prank or something?
No, don't worry about that. He just asked me with some kind of prank. Okay, so I am on Baga Beach today. I am with.
My name is Lionel and I'm from Mumbai.
Okay, what about you?
Elvita.
Okay. I'm with Lionel and Elvita. How was 2020 for you guys?
2020 has been like a mixed bag of emotions for me.
But you're smiling very much, so I can understand it's like decent. Huh?
Yeah,
Right now
decent,
you're on
yeah.
the ball at least.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Most probably I don't have to go to work, which is about it takes about 3 hours of single journey for me, so it was a bit relaxing for me.
Okay, great. So he was very happy with work from home. What about you?
Same, like we got to spend more time with family and traveling time was avoided. So.
Right. So what are your New Year resolutions for 2021? Any mood, anything like that?
New Year resolution, as usual, the what do you call
The same one that's been carried forward for the last 10 years.
Exactly, and the weight resolution that has been going for past years.
Okay, what about you?
Like that only, same.
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
All
Have a
right.
nice.
Thank you. Happy New Year. See you. Hello, now I am with.
Bhavin.
Riya.
Okay, I'm with Bhavin and Riya, and they're smiling really hard, so I know they're already having a good time. But how was 2020 for you guys?
It was hard, but we survived.
Awesome.
Same.
Same? Okay, so what was the highlight of this year for you?
Lots of up downs, so many surprises. But finally it's ending, so we are happy.
And it's
we are-
ending in Goa. So.
It's in Goa. That's the thing. Like we have come for like new beginning from tomorrow. We are hoping for good. Like
Awesome.
2021 will bring something new.
Awesome. So do you guys have any New Year resolution, anything like that, or just partying?
Yeah, we'll just party for tonight. We have some resolutions, like
Yeah.
some improvements in like some things are left in 2020. Like we realize that lots of things are like we haven't done. Like now we are thinking like we will do everything that is like live. There is
Awesome. So a new start.
new start like for everything.
Okay, okay. Congratulations. Happy New Year. Thank you for being a
Same
part
to
of
you,
it.
same to you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. We're out here in Baga and I am with...
Deepa Agrawal. Megha Dipali.
All right. So how was 2020 for you guys?
It was like unimaginable and speechless because due to COVID, all the plans which were like, you know, on the like we were going, that all got cancelled.
Yeah.
And still we are in Goa
Yeah, exactly.
and enjoying here,
All right. What
leaving
about you?
aside everything.
January to March was something good. Then April to around August, September, it was quite challenging because of the new way of everything. I mean, working, living, everything. And then, yeah, December is going nice. I'm in Goa celebrating
Awesome.
2021.
Awesome.
For me, it's awesome because from January to October, I'm stuck at home, totally irritated. But now I'm in Goa, so it's very awesome.
Great. So what do you guys have in mind for 2021? Is it going to be a great year? What?
Yeah, we are expecting 2021 to be very great and expecting that we'll get vaccines very soon.
Of
Yeah,
course, the
so-
vaccine. So you all haven't had COVID yet?
No.
फिर भी बन गया plan, huh?
We are happy.
Okay, okay, okay.
We are now ready for unexpected things.
Yeah?
I mean, we are feeling that after going home, we will get COVID. So it's like, okay, now enjoy.
मैं तो कहता हूँ पकड़ लो बेस्ट है उसके बाद that is
See
the
now,
vaccine
that-
हाँ exactly that's why I'm here and do you guys have any New Year resolution anything like that?
Nothing, no resolution.
No
Not
resolution.
even more partying?
No. Any time we do parties, so nothing.
Okay. Alright.
What's your name?
My name is Vatsal. Right. I'm from Delhi. Both of us are from Delhi. We're brothers. So
That is great.
it's called Vatsal Mishra. That's my name. Yeah.
And what's it all about?
So it's actually a lot of things and I have just started it. I'm very new. Till now I have uploaded one vlog and I have a few others in the making. So it's gonna build a little bit like that.
Great. Best luck.
I'm actually a... So that's what I do as a job.
They're very nice.
Thank you so much guys. Thank you. So, would you like to be a part of it? Today I am with...
Praveen Sanadi from Hyderabad.
Okay, and
Lakshmi.
how was your year, sir?
It was tough. It's very tough.
But overall, good, bad?
I can say some part it's good because we are staying with family because of work from home. And first few months like it was good. But after that like we got vexed. That's the reason like even though Corona is playing with us, like we are here in Goa, you see the crowd, right? How it's going. So I can say it's really tough. It's good and bad. So hopefully we are expecting some good news in 2021. And good stuff from at least like
We should always be optimistic.
yes.
And how was it for you? she ran away, now she's coming here and laughing. Yeah, how was this year for you?
Yeah, it's bad only because of Corona.
But you got a lot of time for yourself. Did you do any hobbies, anything?
Yep. Yeah, like we did a lot, like particularly like
We have some personal time.
Okay, okay, that's awesome. That's always good. So, do you have any New Year resolution, any mood, anything for 2021?
lot of things.
Not yet decided.
Okay, okay, both of your answers are so different. He's like, lot of things you're like, not yet decided.
We decided some like we have to see, but major part is like I think like next 6 months we'll be staying in home anyhow.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure like office will be reopened.
It's okay, even at home you can have fun, you can drink everything. So.
Yep.
Alright. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Hello, I am on Baga Beach and today I am with...
Pooja.
Roshan and Vaibhav.
Alright. So, how was 2020 for you guys?
It was good, like ups and downs, but overall it was average.
like good and bad, mix of everything.
I think as long as it ends well, it's good. Now we're all in Goa partying, so
Yes, lovely. But little bit just because of COVID, there's
Yeah,
slow
just
down.
because of COVID. Yeah, definitely.
what about you?
Oh, it was amazing, actually.
Actually, it's the same for me also.
if I talk about money wise, you know, it was amazing. But if I talk about like how to spend that kind of money, it's not worth it because of that COVID situation, as you know it.
It's okay, as long as you get a little more time at home, you can spend money, enjoy. I bet you all. Did you also rack up a lot of Amazon orders like I did or what?
By all means.
So, what about 2021? What's your outlook? What's the mood?
We are positive. We have to be optimistic about the future. So yeah, I'm all positive.
Same thing. Let's see exactly like what's the COVID effect, and but still we are going to enjoy 2021 as well.
Earn more and grow more.
So do you have any New Year resolution, anything like that?
No, not at all.
I told you already. Earn more and grow more.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Happy New Year's. Okay. Bye bye.
The same.
Come. No. Be a part of it. Okay. Today I am with.
Vinay and Pooja.
All right. So how was 2020 for you guys?
2020 was a completely different experience. We got a lot of time to spend with each other, but also not spend with each other. We were work from home all the time, but still we couldn't speak to each other. More than what we used to do before.
Okay. But still partying at home, all that was.
Partying was good. We had a lot of time for ourselves, so it was a good growth. Hoping for a better 2021 with a lot of traveling and a lot more fun and a lot more interaction.
So that's awesome. What plans do you have for tonight?
So tonight we just finished our dinner and we are just heading back to our resort and spend a quiet evening. That's our plan.
Okay, awesome. So do you guys have any plans for 2021? Anything like a resolution or any mood or anything like that?
Nothing specifically. Do you have any? Nothing specifically. Let's go with the flow.
Okay. Sounds awesome. Happy New Year to you guys.
Happy New Year to you too. Take care.
Thank you. See you. Okay. Bye bye. Today I am with.
Shaila.
And Richa.
Okay. So how was your year?
Well, 2020 for everyone was pathetic equally for me.
It was very bad. I hope 2021 is good for everybody.
But it seems that it's ending on a good note since you're in Goa. So.
Yeah, we've been in Goa for the last 2 months now. The best part is we can work from home.
And I'm gonna be here for next 1 more month.
Yeah, so we're gonna be here for the next 3-4 months.
So this is just another night of partying for you guys.
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
We've been here for very long.
So we've been partying entire. One thing good about 2020 was we've been partying in Goa.
So I don't see the bad thing now. But I think it makes up for a large chunk of the bad thing. I would.
Correct, yeah. But
So-
I think economy-wise it's doing really bad because at this time, even in Goa, the rush is not that much, and the craze also in Goa for New Year is not much.
So why do you care about that? You're having a good time, no?
That's okay, yeah.
Yeah, we're very positive people, so we can
But
have a good time.
Yeah, even
But
I'm like that.
But I'm happy. I'm in Goa and in Delhi. All my friends wanted to party, but there is a night curfew today.
Oh shit, exactly. Even we're from Delhi, and that's the same thing we were thinking about. अच्छा है, चलो यहाँ पे
exactly, yeah.
Delhi में होना भी अच्छा होता, but
Correct, yeah.
now it's better. So, do you guys have any mood, anything for 2021 planned? Like, what do you want to do?
I want to make money.
Okay, that's a good
I
one.
lost a lot of money.
That's a good
2020, so yeah.
Oh shit, what business?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I've just picked up a new job, so I'm going to be joining on 4th of Jan. So I hope it's going to be good for me.
Oh my God, congratulations! So your year already has a good start.
We have a good start, yeah.
Okay, so what about like, do you have any note, anything to say, any dialogue? Like,
Party, 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 because you never know what happens in 21 again.
oh my, she's like me. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Here's wishing you and your family a very happy New Year. I hope you have the best year ahead and genuinely wish that all your dreams come true. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.